In this video, we are going to explain the product rule. Now, the product rule states that when multiplying two expressions with the same base, you add the exponents. So what that looks like is if we had x to the power of n times x to the power of m, we would have x to the power of m plus n. So we would take our two exponents and add them together because our base is the same. So an example to show how that works is if we had 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 4, using the product rule, that would be equal to 2 to the power of 7. And now we can prove that by writing out this expression further. So 2 to the power of 3 can be rewritten as 2 times 2 times 2, and 2 to the power of 4 can be rewritten as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And when you multiply both of those together, you're going to get 7 2's, or 2 to the power of 7. So that wraps up the product rule. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Otherwise, check out any links in the description for more help. Thanks.